Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk. I'm your host, and today we're diving into something that might just revolutionize how we handle database functions: plrust. If you're a developer or a data enthusiast, this is going to pique your interest because we're blending the world of Rust programming with PostgreSQL to create something powerful and efficient. So let's start with the basics. What is plrust? It's a loadable procedural language specifically designed to write PostgreSQL functions in Rust. Now you might be wondering, what's the big deal with writing PostgreSQL functions in Rust? Well, here's the hook. plrust allows you to compile functions directly to native machine code, not just interpret them. This leads to some serious performance boosts. Think about it like this. It's akin to choosing between a sports car and a regular sedan for a road trip. Sure, you can get there in both, but one is going to get you there faster and more smoothly. That's the approach plrust brings to database functions. But hold on, it's not just speed. One of the standout features of Rust is its focus on safety, especially at compile time. This means fewer runtime errors and essentially fewer headaches for developers. Imagine deploying a new database function and not having to worry about unexpected crashes. That's the kind of peace of mind we're talking about here. Now let's break down some interesting aspects of plrust that directly relate to PostgreSQL. It uses Rust safe types over a variety of PostgreSQL data types. So if you're dealing with text, numeric, JSON, or even arrays, plrust got you covered. It brings a level of type safety that could save you from costly errors down the road. And if you're fascinated by how these functions can be implemented, consider this example. Say you want to create a simple function to add two numbers. In plrust, it looks so clean. You simply write a function definition, compile it, and run it. Just like that. It's straightforward, yet powerful. So what's the installation process like? For developers eager to jump in, you'll need to have Rust set up on your machine, and then you'll follow some straightforward steps to get plrust running. Whether you're on a simple setup or diving into cross-compilation for various operating systems, the community has made it quite approachable. Speaking of community, plrust is backed by the tcdi team, who have set up a Discord server for developers and enthusiasts. It's not just a tool, it's a growing ecosystem that encourages cooperation and learning amongst its users. If you're concerned about security, and who isn't in today's digital age, plrust has stringent measures in place. It categorizes languages into trusted and untrusted, which boils down to how safe the language is when executing code. Imagine you could sail smoothly in a boat knowing your anchor is strong. That's how plrust positions itself with its trusted procedural language on specific systems. Now let's pivot a bit to the potential implications of using plrust in production settings. This isn't just about tech for tech's sake. It's about real-world applications. Companies could potentially see performance improvements in database operations, leading to faster applications and better user experiences. A win-win in any scenario. To wrap it up, if you're a developer looking to utilize Rust's performance and safety in your PostgreSQL functions, or if you're just curious about innovative tech in databases, plrust is definitely worth exploring. It aligns with current trends towards safer, faster programming, and could very well be the future of how we handle databases. As we finish our episode today, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What are your experiences with procedural languages in databases? Do you think Rust will change the game? Share your insights on our community server or by reaching out directly. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk. Until next time, keep exploring and